Ah, hello. It's another day. Everybody's hungry. Let's make some food. Ever happened to you? I don't think so. No. So, what is the secret to good vegetables? Secret to good vegetables is letting them be vegetables. Not nacho cheese vegetables. Not I can't taste the vegetables. Vegetables. My mother used to make a fried eggplant dish. And the thing is, when she made it, she would have to make literally 3 times as much as required. Because every child who came through our front door, and she had a few, including grandchildren, would eat the eggplant uncontrollably. And so, from childhood, eggplant remains a favorite. Eggplant. Let's let eggplant taste like eggplant. So I'm putting a few marks, just to be decorative here, in the skin. You'll notice I peeled off all the outer leaves, but left the top intact. Nobody's going to eat that anyway. It tastes terrible. And I'm just doing a few cuts down the side. And I got my usual little oven here at 425. So, eggplant, you're going to love this. Salt, pepper, olive oil on the front. Flip it over. Olive oil on the back. It is sitting on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Okay. And that oven's at 425. Talk to me in about an hour. Yeah, what do people eat when it's hot in hot countries? Rice and vegetables. What are we going to have? Rice and vegetables. Risotto? Not tonight. Okay. Eggplant, even with oil, is a bit lean on the protein. So I've got some Labne. Gesundheit. And it's basically Greek yogurt that's drained. Take a glob of Greek yogurt, put in a coffee filter, let it drain. You'll end up with this. A little bit of lemon juice. And some garlic soaked in olive oil. Yeah, I got more in there. A little bit of salt. And let's stir this up. What we're doing is creating fat and protein for the dish. Isn't this exciting? Oh. That, I will say, is a bit of an acquired taste. It is rich, it is slightly sour, garlicky, salty, fat. It's magnificent. Let's let this sit at room temperature, covered, of course. and let the flavors meld. Yep. Roasted eggplant, garlic, lemon, labne. And now, let's add a little texture. This is the heel of a loaf of French bread, and I'm cutting it into small bits. Yeah, I made this for Mrs. Chef the other day, and she actually got mad at me because I hadn't recorded it. Okay, a little bit of cut up bread. Yeah, those of you who watch the show know we do a fair amount with bread here. Nice, reasonable sized pan. Some olive oil. Yeah, I know, we're running low on that YouTube time limit. Little salt. Little pepper. Little bit of generic chili powder, you know? Who needs to get fancy? Let's turn that up. Have you ever heard of fried bread? It's a wonderful thing you should look up and make for yourself. It's an alternative to French toast, and that's kind of what we're making here. Oh, a little cayenne, why not? Just a little bit, even by my standards. And some paprika. Oh my heavens. That is a spice oil. Let's throw some garlic into that. Okay. Woo. So, once this heats up, I will be throwing the chopped bread into it to create croutons to put around the edge to eat with the eggplant. Yeah. It's a little unconventional. Serve this up with rice and it'll be great. But the thing is, you've got to have the courage to try it. Try something different. You will find the eggplant comes out and it's almost a custard. It is literally almost a vegetarian custard when it comes out of there. It is the most amazing thing. You might want to use one of these, a fish spatula, to remove the eggplant because it will be very soft. It has to cook at 425 for about 40 minutes. And what comes out of there will be amazing. The yogurt, or labne, depending on what you can find at the local market, with garlic, lemon, salt, pepper, olive oil for richness, is a very nice thing. It's a very nice condiment. The croutons, cooked up in an oil of garlic, chilli powder, a hint of cayenne, and paprika, will also be amazing. As stated, on a hot day like today, like every day from now on, eat like the locals eat. Places where it's hot, they eat rice and vegetables. You will find we all have an amazing ability to survive on rice and vegetables. So, that's it. Meat? Yeah, we can do that later. We do a lot of meat on this channel too. But vegetarian food, that can be pretty good. So, thank you. This is social media. Please be good social citizens. And subscribe, like, share, all of that good stuff. Thank you and goodbye.